Hello, welcome to PH Maths. Number in focus on the quarter, 1/4. A quarter is the Russian dole fraction. Half of a half, then a half of that, then a half of that. Fractions nested inside fractions. By the end of this video, you'll know why every quartile question hides a quarter, where area scale factors lean on quarters, and the clean cancellation pattern that connects quarters to halves. Quick identity check. A quarter is positive. A quarter is rational. As a decimal, it's 0.25, terminating, tidy, and as a percentage, it's 25%. 4 quarters make a whole. A quarter plus 3/4 equals 1. Easy to convert, easy to scale, easy to spot inside any data or probability question. The quarter is the cleanest small fraction you've got after the half. Multiples of a quarter, a half, 3/4, 1, 1 1/4, 1 1/2. Every fourth multiple lands on a whole number. The ones in between, quarters and 3/4, are clean terminating decimals at 0.25, 0.75. Quarters slot neatly into data sets of 4, into hours split into 15-minute blocks, and into any pie chart divided 4 ways. Powers of a quarter. Quarter to the 1 is a quarter. Quarter squared is 1/16. Quarter cubed is 1/64. Quarter to the 4th is 1/256. Notice that every power of a quarter is also a power of a half. Specifically, quarter to the n equals half to the 2n. So 1/16 is half to the 4th and quarter squared at the same time. The Russian dole fraction. Half squared equals a quarter. Quarter squared equals 1/16. 1/16 squared equals 1/256. Each power is the square of the previous one. So fractions nested inside fraction, dole inside dole. Same pattern in geometry. Half the side lengths of a shape and the area becomes a quarter. Half the lengths again and the area becomes a 16th. The quarter is what links one-dimensional halving to two-dimensional shrinking. Key relationships. A quarter equals 0.25 equals 25%. A quarter plus 3/4 equals 1. A quarter times 4 equals 1. A half squared equals a quarter. That's the dole trick. And the square root of a quarter equals a half. The dole unwinds. Use that last identity whenever a problem hands you a square root of an awkward small fraction. Where a quarter actually shows up in your exam, quartiles, Q1, Q2, and Q3 split your data set into 4 equal pieces. The lower quartile sits at 25% of cumulative frequency. Compound interest at 25% growth is multiplying by 1.25. Probability with 4 outcomes. And area scale factors. Half the lengths, area becomes a quarter. That's a higher tier favorite. Where a quarter hides, every quartile question. Any area cut into 4 equal pieces, 1/16, that's a quarter squared. Also half to the 4th. Half length scale factors. And any percentage between 0 and 25. A quarter is the anchor that helps you eyeball whether your answer is reasonable. Spot the quarter, save the calculation. Right. If any of this is going to stick beyond this video, drop into phmaths.com. You'll find a free 4-week GCSE Higher revision planner ready to download, plus the mastery workbooks. One for every higher topic, every answer fully worked, every common slip flagged. Simple explanations, serious results. See you next video.